To all of our commencing and returning students, a warm welcome to UNSW's Term 2 2021. Whether you're on campus or joining us virtually in Australia or overseas, you're an important part of the UNSW community, and we have an array of opportunities and support services to help you connect with peers, staff and industry. No matter where you are or what you are studying, I encourage you to take full advantage of the vibrant student life UNSW has to offer. There are online opportunities to connect with classmates across the globe and an array of clubs and societies you can join to access a range of social, volunteer and development opportunities, and to make friendships, some of which will last a lifetime. We have online and on-campus events and workshops to help you kickstart the term. Log on to the first year's Ask Us Anything Facebook Live event series via ARC's Facebook page and learn how you can get the most out of your studies with the Prepping for Success programs. And while university is a time of personal growth, discovery and great excitement, we understand there may be times when it's overwhelming. If that happens, put up your hand early and seek help, because it's okay to not be okay. We will support you and help you get back on track. I encourage you to take advantage of all the programs and services available for our students. We want you to have a truly memorable time here at UNSW, and I wish you a fantastic Term 2.